This method only works if your illustration has black outlines. Unlock the background layer. Click on the FX icon, and select Blending Options. Drag the right slider under current layer to the left until the colors are gone. Add a solid color layer. And make it white. Place the color fill layer below the layer with the illustration. As you can see, the lines are not very smooth now. Go to Image. Generative Upscale. I use the Firefly Upscaler. And a scale of 2. As you can see, the lines are a lot smoother now. And that's how you convert an image to outlines.